Costco for bulk groceries and great deals. But did you know they also offer home and auto insurance? Today we're going to talk about Costco's insurance program. Is it actually a good deal or just another membership perk with strings attached? Let's find out. CostCo doesn't directly insure you. Instead, they partner with Connect, powered by American Family Insurance. And for Costco members, especially executive ones, there are extra perks. So here's what's included. First are discounted rates for Costco members, potential for additional savings if you bundle home and auto, claims free, multi policy and vehicle safety discounts, and 24/7 claims service. So here are the pros. First is competitive pricing for members, strong customer service reputation via Connect, and extra benefits for executive members like roadside assistance. But the cons are it is not available in all provinces or states. It's underwritten by Connect, not Costco directly. Rates may not beat local or online only insurers, and there's no face to face support like a traditional broker. So, is Costco insurance worth it? If you're already a member, especially an executive one, it's definitely worth getting a quote. You might score a great deal and the service gets decent reviews. But don't skip shopping around, you might find better rates elsewhere. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!